Hi Denise, my name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And then the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you as well. So it's not going to be playing the game of who paid the most money this month to Zillow to get the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. It's going to be yours because it's your website. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here, and one thing I'd like to point out is that I would suggest making it a little bit more known that you're a realtor. So potentially after you do have the Fathom Realty here, and you do have this here, but maybe I've seen a lot of realtors put like a hyphen with realtor, or maybe under their name, hey, best home seller in the area, or something like that. Just something to pop out a little bit more. Hey, I'm a realtor. Call me. So that's just one thing, but to each his own. Either way, I do see that you work for Fathom Realty, so we're going to use their website. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to talk about a few things: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Now, content is king in the eyes of Google. The more content you have, the better. And so the thing to keep in mind is that content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So the thing to keep in mind is that especially with real estate websites, with the IDX feed, with all the listing photos, how your photos are saved matters. So I don't know if you know, but a lot of times when we upload photos using a computer, the computer will create a file name for the photo that we don't specify. And usually it consists of just random letters and numbers. Well, if the search engines are reading, which they are on the back end, how your photos are saved, obviously it would behoove us to make sure that what we're saving our photos as matters and is valuable and is good content with what we're trying to achieve. And so just do your homework and make sure that you save your photos, all of them, as the proper words that you're trying to rank for. And then obviously this is Fathom Real Estate, but and this is technically your website because you work for them. You're paying them as your broker, but how many leads are coming here? So how many people are going on this website and finding you? I mean, if we go to agents here, we got probably, I would have guessed, a significant amount. 242 pages worth of agents. So how many people are coming here and finding you? And how far down the list are they going to go, or are they going to call somebody else? So that's really important. So how much value is this website bringing you? Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations. And so the more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Tampa, Florida Realtors. We got Florida Executive Realty, Greater Tampa Realtors, Coldwell Banker Realty, South Tampa. Okay, I don't see Fathom Realty on this page here. Now, if we come down into the organic searches, I also don't see Fathom Realty either. So very important. But even more important than that, I want to point out this: whether you're a broker or not, you can have a Google My Business page of your own. So as you can see, we got the Duncan Duo, Charles Rutenberg, we have Kelly Parks, we have Frank Albert, Lombardo team. So first of all, I don't see Fathom here, which means, again, how much value is that bringing you? How many leads are coming from there? I would suggest getting your own Google My Business page. For the purposes of this video, we're going to use Lombardo team's Google My Business page just to show you. This is what it's going to look like right here. Basic profile. A couple things I want to point out. We suggest 25 reviews. So obviously Lombardo has 30. You're going to want to beat your competition in reviews, but we recommend minimum 25. Now, also the photos. Again, photos. So how you save your photos matters. So we recommend that you have 10 photos. Okay? You want 10 photos, and then you want all your photos saved the right way. So even though this might be a photo here of aviator sunglasses blowing a kiss, how is it saved? Because if it's saved as aviator sunglasses blowing a kiss, then it's not going to do any good. And if it's saved as XYZ or pick one, it's not going to do any good either. So very important how you save your photos. So 10 photos, 25 reviews, and you'll be well on your way with a citation pack to bringing in some of the piece of the pie for the Tampa, Florida area. And then the last thing is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So let's say you decide to make it DeniseTucker.com, right? Wherever you blast that out to on the internet is going to give you a backlink. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. And this Fathom Realty website is a prime example. You guys have 14.6 thousand backlinks from 417 referring domains. Your domain rating is a 69, but yet you're not on the first page anywhere. So the thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So once you get your domain, you're going to want to be sure to pick and choose your backlinks wisely and make sure that you're getting valuable backlinks that are relevant and are not spammy. So moving forward, other than that, I can't think of anything else today. If you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. I hope that you can find the time to implement some of these tips and tricks into your business. Get yourself a website, whether you have a website paid for or whether you build it yourself. Do some of these things I was talking about here, and you'll definitely be well on your way to bringing in some leads. So again, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.